So we're going to take our waste here, that's going to go into the shower tray. Yeah, it comes out at a 45 degree, but we need to kick it along past the shower cubicle to then drop down underneath the van. So we're taking another 45 to run it along our back edge, which will go something along the lines of that. We can then drop it down underneath the van to then take it into our waste tank below.
So we've got a long fall.
Yeah. So then we'll then pick up where the sink is going here, drop that one down, and then underneath we'll pick up the 2 pipes, taking them straight into our tank that we've got mounted underneath the vehicle.
Tremendous. Thank you, Matthew.
Sniff.
I'm off the hard stuff now.
He's back on the Pritt stick.
Yeah, love a bit of PVA.
You've got to make sure you ain't got any burrs on the inside, because that will get all your hairs and pubes and stuff stuck.
Oh, this is a YouTube channel, Matthew.
Oh, sorry. Can you not say pubes on YouTube?
I don't know. I'll check.
Try it. Alright, don't forget behind your ears.
That was off camera, luckily. Yeah, that's good, man. So we ended up using 4x2 to build a frame. The reason it's so high is so that we could get a decent fall, because it's quite a deep trap. And there's the notch at the end, and that sits on there just lovely. Tremendous.
To make the shower walls, we use 9mm ply.
Look at that. So we built the side wall. We're now going to fix that in to the bottom of the frame, push that in, and then start to build the back wall. Picking up from where Matt and I finished off from, I've used some of these bits of timber that I had in the garage, and from there I'm gonna box that in, and that's going to be my opening to get into the shower. So I'm just cutting some plywood to box that in on the inside, and I'm going to build a little lip because this shower tray doesn't have a very big lip on it, so if I'm not on level ground, the water's not going to get away. So I'm going to build a little lip and silicone that in. So that's what my lip looks like. I'm going to flip that around and just fit that in. Okay, this is the end result. which I'm pretty pleased with actually. So fixed that to the top, got a little split there, so I'm going to put a screw through that. But yeah, that's my shower enclosure done, and I just need to order the Tamber sliding door. Whoop, whoop. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be fitting my tile effect shower paneling into the shower tray. The website suggested that you put a bead of silicone in before you put the shower tray in, so I'm just going to give the shower tray a quick clean up. I've taken all of the protective film off, give that a little clean up so there's no dust, use some clear silicone, and then I'm going to start to cut that bad boy into the panels. Alright, so the website instructions say that you can cut it with a Stanley knife. Well, that's incorrect. It's just too tough to cut through, and that was a brand new blade. So I took a fine tooth to my jigsaw, and it just splintered. So they even say that you can use a fine tooth circular saw, but I think the word screw that come to mind. So yeah, we'll just have to silicone those in. Never mind. It is day 2 of the shower installation. So I've got some helpers with me today. Hello Rufus. There's Eva. And I've just gone and picked up this this corner trim from Wix, the size of which escapes me, but I'll put it in the video when I do it. And I'm just going to fix it to that corner there. So I've placed some clear silicone on here. I've just notched out the little bit for the shower tray. All right, it's looking pretty good. So the distance between each of these should be 150 mil. Which it is, so I need to work at 150 mil on here and drill my holes. So I didn't know which way would be easier, if I came from this way or came from the back, but it seems just as easy going from the front right through the back. But I'm happy with that. Give that a little sand just to make sure there's no jagged bits, and then I can start to fit the shower. Alright, so I've got a little bit of extra plywood at the back. I've got some holes for the pipes to go through, just to sit there. And now I'm going to use these shower brackets that I bought on eBay. No, I didn't, I bought on Amazon, to hold them to the wall.
When you use PTFE tape, wipe. As you use PTFE tape, you want to wrap the tape anti-clockwise, so that as you do the bolt up clockwise, it doesn't unravel.
Insert. The last part of this build which I didn't show you was the tambour door. Now I ordered it on eBay, sent the guy the sizes, and he sent me the track and the door and a 90-degree angle, which you can just see there. It comes with a couple of fixing holes, which I've done, and all I did was I used a clear silicone to hold it in, and then a black silicone to finish it off. And that's my tambour door.